So most gardeners are accidentally killing their soil every day by leaving it bare. If your garden looks like this, you're losing 3 things that your plants need the most: water, nutrients, and microbes. And your garden is not just losing, you're losing because you're losing time. What if I told you there's one simple thing you can do to reduce watering, stop weeds, improve your soil, and grow healthier plants? And that's mulching. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to do that the right way. And stick around because we have 3 incredible tips for you. So, what is mulching? Mulching simply means covering your beds with organic material. So, what is organic material? Organic material is anything you can find in nature, like leaves, grass, hay, weeds, or straw. And this one step changes everything, because in nature, soil is never bare. In nature, soil is always covered with leaves, plants, and organic matter. So today we're copying nature. So here's what you can use. You can use grass clippings. You can use leaves, straw or hay, weeds and plant cuttings, ferns, seaweed. Here's tip number 1. It's a secret that most people don't know about, and it's what farmers use, and it's called silage. So silage is fermented grass. It's super nutrient rich, and it's amazing for your soil. So you know those round bales with plastic around them? That's silage, because it keeps the nutrients in, and that's what you feed the cows over the winter so they get nutrients. That's what you're looking for. Ask a local farmer for some. You might get it cheap or even for free. So mulching is truly a game changer. Here's what happens when you mulch your garden. Number 1, you water less. So this mulch is going to hold in the moisture in your soil. And you're going to have to water way less, which is a lot less work for you. Number 2, your plants get free food. As the mulch breaks down, it provides your soil and your plants with nutrients, and they'll get much stronger. Number 3, weeds disappear. So this mulch will also block the sunlight, which means that less weeds can grow. So think of this as insulation, just like a home. In the summer, it keeps it cool, and in the fall, it acts like a warm blankie. Number 5, more worms and more microbes. So this is huge. Mulch creates the perfect environment for soil life. And think of the microbes as your workers working for you. So we're using straw for mulch today because we found a ton of it in our chicken coop. So how do you mulch? What you're going to do is you're going to put your mulch in a thick layer in your beds. So this layer should be about 10 centimeters or about 4 inches. If your layer of mulch is too thin, the weeds will go through. And if it's too thick, the water won't go down properly. So don't pile mulch against a stem like this. Always leave a gap around your stems because this can cause rot. So think of it as a little bit of a bird's nest around each stem. If your plants are small, what I usually do is I put half the mulch down when I plant, and then I put down the rest of the mulch a month later. And this is what it should look like when it's done. And don't forget to mulch your grow bags. Tip number 2, always water after mulching. In case it gets windy, your mulch won't blow away. Tip number 3, in the spring, pile your weeds up next to your beds, and after they dry out, use them as mulch. Zero waste, free mulch. Remember, bare soil, struggling garden. Covered soil, thriving ecosystem. Mulch is one of the easiest upgrades you can make, and it changes everything. If you want to grow your own food step by step, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.